Hi everyone, welcome to Standard Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a black canvas 16 by 20 with, this is a little bit of a gray, silver, metallic, and black mixture. I wanted to just kind of do something a little bit different than just a black background. So I just gave it a little bit of a torch to get some of the bubbles out. I'm probably going to put a little bit of silver and teal in here and swipe it through before I actually do my pour. I'm going to do a dirty pour, and I have a very cool contraption here. It's actually a dessert tray with a whole bunch of cutouts in the trays of it. It's actually a 3-tier one, but I'm not going to use this top section, just the bottom section. So I have got many different colors in here. A cup full of teal, I've got turquoise blue, the neon pink, burgundy, black, white. I just want to do kind of an abstract, colorful pour and see what happens. We're just kind of winging it tonight. So I'm going to put some teal down first. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be very much appreciated. This is the blue turquoise. It's going down right now. And I know you're probably thinking, why is she doing that if she's going to do a pour? I just want to have a base color kind of swipe through before I do the pour. See if it adds anything to the pour. You never know, right? Art is art. So I'm going to do some silver. This is the metallic silver. This is the Deco Art Extreme Sheen metallic silver. Okay. Now I'm just going to take my piece of plastic, and I think I'm going to go sideways with it. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to swipe some color through. Actually, I'm not even going to wipe I was going to wipe the plastic every time, but I don't think I need to, because I want to spread the paint color anyways. There we go. Now all the colors you see me use, all the tools you see me use, is all, I get 90% of my stuff from Amazon, and I will have links in the detailed description. It's a little gray arrow at the bottom of this video. If you want to get yourself any of the colors I'm using, or yourself a new butane torch to get your bubbles out, stir sticks, cups, paint, everything. Elmer's glue all, which I use, it's all available below in the descriptions. That's actually really pretty. Maybe I should call it done. No, that's not everything I want to do. Okay, so we got the color down. I'm just going to give a quick little torch. Now let's do this pour. I'm going to put my dessert tray in the center-ish. Now this has got a hollow bottom, so it should just leave me a nice little ring there where the turquoise blue and black and silver I just swiped through there. Okay, so I'm going to pour some on this side, some on this side, and see what happens. Do this side as well. Oh, that's a little bit of a tight squeeze there, but I got it. And back over here. And back over here. There we go. Now my wonderful daughter-in-law is the one that gave me this dessert tray to give a whirl to. So I have to send her out a huge thank you. Thank you, Carrie. And I will be sure to wash it up good and return it to you good as new. Although if this is a huge masterpiece, you may never get it back. I'll just have to go find myself one. Okay, so I am going to pick this up and place it aside. If the paint's all finished dripping, it has. Just going to put it right there at the end of my table. That actually turned out really cool. I don't know if I just blocked it with my... Here, let me just move it. Sorry, making all this noise. I'm just going to move it right out of the vision area and put it on my canvas I have sitting here. Okay. Wow, that looks really cool. I'm going to tilt it a little bit. Hopefully you're able to see it. Looks gorgeous. Okay, last thing I'm going to do is probably take, I'll take one of my ends of my paint sticks. I'm just going to draw a couple lines and then I'm going to pour it. So I'm just going to do this. There we go. Now let's give this a little tilt and see how we like it. Now you're really supposed to have patience for this and pour slowly. I don't always have enough patience, but we'll see. Get into the corner there. I'm going to go back this way. Sorry if you're seeing the back of the canvas. Maybe I'll get some pretty flower designs or something out of here that I wasn't expecting. You never know what you're going to get. Go back this way some. Get that corner down there a little bit. There we go. Happy with that. This looks really neat. This is going to be a quick video again because it's almost done. I really like the corners have a little bit of design to them from my swipe. Okay, let's put it down for a sec. So let me take a look here. This one's really close to flowing over here. This one's gorgeous. I like that one too. I think just a tiny tilt this way. I'll give it a little bit of a torch. There we go. Totally have it out of the picture, out of the camera, don't I? There we go. Okay, let's grab my rag here, give it a quick torch. Some of those bubbles out. See if we have any cell action happening. Oh, lots of cells happening. Excellent. Okay. All the cells are popping up all through here. Now this was a bunch of pre-mixed paint that I had from previous paintings, and I just went with it to try and get something cool out of leftover paint. And it's morphing itself beautifully. Hopefully you can see that. When it dries, it's going to be gorgeous. Alright everybody, there is my funky abstract of the night with teals and pinks and burgundies, greens, Turned out awesome. Thanks very much for joining me, everybody. Please hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. Thanks again.